All right, I'm in my robe and I'm doing research on my computer right now. Hackamore bridles are um, complicated to me because I'm not a cowboy and I want to make sure I get it right. And I found several videos on YouTube on hackamores, and I'm going through and getting photographs off those videos that I can use for uh, research for tying and putting together a hackamore on a pony. So I'm going to be working on that today, but for now, I've got a video that I shot back in 2010 when I was working on a life-size Native American piece that's now in bronze. And I was at a foundry down in Lehi, Utah, where we delivered or had the clay pointed up, and I'm working on the pointed up clay there in the foundry in their special studio they have there. So thought you'd like to see that. Sorry I'm not sculpting today, but I will be tomorrow. And here's my video. All right, I'm here before everybody else again, and it's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to clean this up a little bit, just to fill in little holes in some of the more prominent areas. A lot of this fringe they're going to fill in the mold making room. They're going to fill in between the crevices. I just don't have time to do that. So they're going to do that themselves. I've already pointed out a few things that they will need to do. Not worried about getting the skin perfectly smooth because there is a good sculptural quality to this piece. I kind of like that. Jerry Farron sent me an email last night or this morning and said, Dave, don't forget to sign your clay because it's an awful long ways from Ennis, Montana to Alpine, Utah. And he has a point. So see they're unpacking iron horn. I'll be working on that when I'm finished with the one I'm working on now.
I'm going to be doing is, these are scalp locks. This would be part of your scalp, and the hair would be on one side. In this case, there'll be braided hair. So that's what I'm going to do now. Well, I finished up Silent Arrow this morning. It's ready to be cast, and I signed it. I've repaired the beadwork on this piece and finished the fringe on the bottom edge of this shirt, which originally was wax, and I had to make it out of clay. I've got work to do on the hands. I stuck a tool back here because I've got to do the stitching on this edge here just like I did on this edge, and I got it there to remind me to do that. Finished up the blade of the spear, and got the rifle in position and the hand on that done. Finished up the quirt, the riding quirt or the riding crop. That's what this item is hanging off here. You'd use it to whip the horse. These are scalp locks. I've got those on. Made the strap for the gun. And tomorrow I'll be working on the hair and replacing any other beads I find that need to be replaced. I've got to do some hangings off of the spear here. Now, on the original clay, it's ermine skins, but I think what I'm going to do is make it ribbons. I think ribbons will look more interesting. So that's it for today.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.